Now that we put the braces on, we want to go over anything that you may have problems with during your orthodontic journey. Within your orthodontic kit, we provided you wax that will be used for any irritation that you may have with your braces. If there's any irritation with the braces against your cheeks or lips, we want to use a wax as a buffer. So what you want to do is take a little piece of the rope wax, roll it into a ball, and any of the braces that it's irritating you, particularly if there's a hook that may be giving you a problem or maybe in the back of wire, you can always put the wax over the brace and just make sure that you pinch it so that it'll secure against the brace so it does not move. You can use that in the front. You can also use it in the back where there may be a wire in the back that may be irritating for you, or just part of the brace just like in the front. Once again, over top of the brace, and then make sure you pinch it. Use a fair amount so it doesn't move. Now that you're in orthodontic treatment, I would recommend going to the drugstore to pick up a kit similar to this. This is called a manicure pedicure kit, which contains a toenail, fingernail, and a cuticle clipper. I would like to dedicate or have you dedicate this at home to only your orthodontic needs. I can talk you through most of the orthodontic problems via phone if you have an issue by using a kit such as this. Now that you have your braces on, we want to talk a little bit about how to take care of your braces. One of my staff members handed you a brushing kit that looks just like this. The most important thing with taking care of the braces is cleaning the plaque from around your teeth. Now we have various items in order to do that. The plaque that's accumulating on your teeth is that fuzzy white substance that you feel when you wake up in the morning. That plaque secretes acid and causes cavities and white spots around the braces, so the most important thing is we want to make sure we don't develop any of those. We have floss to counteract the plaque. We also have a small Christmas tree brush. We have floss holders, and we also have the toothbrush. I'd like to thank David here for assisting us in this oral hygiene presentation. I'm going to review what you have in your kit in order to take care of your braces. The first thing we'll be doing is using the floss holder. Open again for me, David. Thank you. We're going to be going in between each of the braces and underneath the wire with our floss holder in order to clean everything out. We would like you to look at platypus.com, and that's the floss holder that we would actually recommend using. There's a very nice video on the website that shows you how to do this. The second thing I would like you to use would be the Christmas tree shaped brush. That is the item I want you to go in between each of the braces with to clean the plaque away from the teeth. We could also use this underneath the brace if we have debris like food or plaque. We could also use this over top of the braces as needed. And then we want to use the main toothbrush, which is the one that we put in our kit with a V-shaped channel down the middle. We're going to go ahead and start and brush over top of the brace all the way around. We want to use the bristles angled up toward the brace on the gum line. And we also want to go above the brace so that we have all the plaque removed. The most important thing is once you do brushing, you want to look at the mouth to make sure all the plaque is removed. One of my staff members also handed you a prescription like this for fluoride. This is Prevident 5000. This is a high-potency toothpaste with fluoride in it. It's used to counteract any white spots or cavity formation on your teeth. Very, very important to use this as directed. It's very important now that we have braces to really take care and pay attention to what we're eating. One of my staff members handed you a diet restriction form just like the one you see here. This kind of outlines the foods that you want to avoid while you're in braces. The most important thing is you don't want to eat any foods that are hard and crunchy, such as ice or hard candies. If you do chew those things, you have a potential of knocking the brace off, and therefore you'll have to come back to the office to have that repaired. The video you just watched is always available online at www.bracesbob.com. So if there's any questions about how to take care of your braces, please go to the website and watch the video.